Alright, I actually got a bunch of these, I think. At least that's what the receipt says. Not $12.40. Why would I pay that much for something I don't need? $4.50 these were. $4.50. There be the UPC, bruh. Free, easy to use carrying case. You know, security level 5. Which means the lockpicking lawyer could probably pick this in, 2 seconds? I'll let me decide to open it. OMG. So the question is, alright, so it's going to be, it's a key. Oops, it's a key. So the question you always want to ask when you buy something like this, is there a key in there? And we have at least one key sticking through down there. So let's figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, the keys are wire tied up. Yeah. So what is this? Is this what? Oh, you attach this to the bicycle? Sorry. You attach this to the bicycle so you can attach the lock to it. God damn, this thing is why is it not pointing up? To attach the lock to it. Alright, so let's get that off in the proper way, right? Let's get that off so we can test the key. There's your key. Kind of silly, right? OMG, the lettering is worn off. That doesn't look too secure to me. That's all that comes out. Right? It slides into that hole. Oh, I see. Alright. Yeah, so I don't got the camera on, so I can't really... Damn it. Dumbass. It's the lip that comes out. That's enough. That's more than enough to hold it. Yeah. Alright. So. Okay. Alright, so it looks like this case locks like this. There you go. So it locks your lock in, you push the button, and you take it off. This mounts to your bicycle. Or your big toe, whatever you decide. Of course, the bulkiness of this doesn't matter. Alright, so that is presently locked. Well, you can't take the key out when it's in the unlock. You're not allowed to remove the key. Cool. The lock-picking lawyer. Should we go see how long it takes him to pick this? Let's take a look inside that again. Oh, I don't got the freaking camera. Just trying to see how thick that metal is. Metal shell once you remove this stupid plastic crap. So anyway, $4.50. It's worth it, right? I like the stupid warranties they put on things. Warranty. All right. Standard U-Lock. Lifetime warranty. Massachusetts. Canton, Massachusetts. Kryptonite. High security disc. Cylinder. Offers protection against picking and drilling attacks. Sure it does. Sure it does. If you watch the lock-picking lawyer, those claims usually are bogus. I know.